Hi guys! Samahan niyo ako magpatato. So my tattoo artist is Joe and yung shop niya is located sa Paliparan, Dasma. It's 1 hour trip from where I am. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys her profile para makita niyo yung mga works niya. But yeah, it's gonna be worth it. Sobrang ganda ng mga gawa niya, so I decided na sa kanya magpa-tattoo ng malaki-laking piece. It's gonna be my first big piece. I look forward to it. See you guys later.
Straight onto Congressional Road Extension.
Diretso lang.
To?
Oo.
Hindi ka makangalay.
The piece is done.
Nakatay is done.
Thank you so much, Joe!
Thank you.
Introduce mo yung shop mo.
Ano ba? Hello, I'm Jo. Punta kayo sa shop, Maiden's Ink.
Yeah,
Sa
bakit
mga
ako na lang?
walang na meron. Hindi, sa mga kahit sino gusto pumunta, pwede kayo pumunta dito. Open ako everyday.
So, kamusta yung experience mo second time mo nag-neck tattoo?
That's mahirap kasi tignan nyo guys. Sige, pakita mo sa kanila. Ayan o, mahirap siya i-stretch kasi nga leg siya. Pero kaya naman ni RC. Congrats!
Bye! Thank you! Hi guys! It's done. Naka ano siya ngayon? Naka protective film. Kaya it was a super nice experience. Masakit. Pero hindi ganun kasakit. I don't know what to tell you guys, but yeah. What a great experience. Ayun. Daming cats. She's cute. Nag-bonding kami with them. Just a nice, you know, parang mag-decompress from all the pain. Char. But yeah, sarap yung food din. And then, now we're on our way home. So, yeah, ilalagay ko na lang yung clips nung mas close up na tattoo. But yeah, it's painful. Lalo na daw pag tinanggal. Fuck me. Shout out dyan kay Jo. Thank you so much for taking care of my neck. Lupit nung design. Compliment ako ng girlfriend ko, which is very rare. Wow! Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, kasi mahirap i-please ang girlfriend ko. Wow! Mahirap siya i-please, so it's a very good thing na she liked it. Yeah, guys, kita-kits na lang sa susunod na vlog. Kasi pauwi na kami now. Like, gusto niyo pa ba makakita ng mga clips pa uwi? Diba? So, yeah. Until next vlog. Mwah!